In this video, I will show you 15 shortcut keys that will increase your productivity in Xcode, and you will be able to create your own apps faster and more efficiently. Let's begin with Command-Shift-L. This command allows you to open the object library, which is the placeholder of user interface elements such as buttons, labels, and views. Really useful command when you're building the interface to your app. But you know what? SwiftUI is probably going to render this function useless, so I don't know why the hell it's in my list. Command-Shift-F. This is the Find Navigator quick key and allows you to use search options and filters to quickly find any string within your project. Helpful for debugging your project and finding such functions that are making your app unable to compile. Control-Drag. One of the most useful commands in Xcode. Control-Drag allows you to easily connect your user interface elements to your code. Literally anything that is on your interface you can connect. Buttons, labels, images, and everything else. Option click. If you option click on a file, it will open up the file in the assistant window, dividing the screens so you're able to see your interface, which is presented on the left side, and then your code on the right. Command N. This will create a new file in your Xcode project, and it's pretty handy because then you can just quickly add a new file without having to go file, new, blah blah blah. You know how it is. Command R. This command allows you to run your Xcode project. Instead of having to bring your cursor up to the play button, just hit Command R and it'll open up your simulator. And don't mind my little newbie UI that I made. In case you're wondering, it's a guitar building app. Command 0. This will hide or show the navigator panel. You should use this when you're running out of screen space, as Xcode gets really clustered sometimes because of all the windows, and it's really annoying. Command left arrow / right arrow. Use this to configure device orientation either into landscape or portrait when utilizing the simulator. It's much better than just, going under view and then trying to flip the device orientation that way. Like, this saves you so much time. Control I. If you have some really messed up indented code, you can highlight it and hit Control I, and boom, it'll fix it for you. Control Command E. You want to use this command to edit all in scope and change all variables or methods with the same name at the same time. Put your cursor in the variable you want to change and use Control Command E, and just like that, you're coding on like 3 different lines at the same time. Pretty useful, but the amount of times I'm going to remember to do this command is, probably never. Command L. This one's very useful if you know your code very well. You can jump to a specific line, such as if I want to go to line 25, Command L and type in line 25, and boom, now I'm at line 25. Command Shift Y. This command allows you to hide the debug navigator, as you really don't need it. It's not going to tell you anything useful anyways. Command Shift O. This command brings up a window for browsing files, classes, methods, and functions within your project. It's really useful to quickly navigate through your project without using a mouse. And honestly, this is probably the most important quick key in this video, so I highly recommend memorizing it. Option Command 0. This will hide and show the inspector window because you really don't need it while you're coding. It's only useful when you're building your interface. Command /. This command is very well known and is used to comment your code. And honestly, when you have problems with your code, you just highlight it, Command /, and it's commenting. You don't need to think about it ever again. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments if I missed any important shortcut keys, and I appreciate all of your feedback. Leave a like if the video is helpful, and see you in the next video.